Hello.
Teacher,
Hello, good morning.
Madam teacher.
Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. So what time did you join our class?
I joined a squad at 9:14.
9:14. Ah, okay. Because you messaged me early.
Because I think the class will be at 9 o'clock.
Oh, maybe you didn't see my message yesterday, last night.
Yeah,
Okay. So what time did you wake up?
I wake up at
You woke up at
8:30.
you woke up at 8:30.
8:30. Yeah.
Okay. So you woke up at 8:30. All right. Have you eaten breakfast?
Yes, I have eaten my breakfast.
So what did you have for breakfast?
I have sausages.
Sausages and rice?
Yeah, rice.
Sausages
No.
and rice? Oh, just sausages?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Um,
How about yesterday? What time did you go home yesterday?
I go home at 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 I at home at 9:20.
Why so late? Why
Because
so late?
I have a school.
You have school
I
until 9:20?
No,
Why
I
why
have
is your school
extra.
so late?
Is extra.
Extra classes. What
Yes,
what's your extra class?
is about math. Is
Hmm.
about math.
What time do you finish your extra
I,
class in math?
I I finish at 9 o'clock.
Do you go to your teacher's house?
No, yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. All right. Duktang, how about on Thursday? Can you join the class at 5:30 on Thursday?
5:30,
We still have a class on
5:30.
Thursday.
Thursday, 5:30. Okay, I can.
You can.
Yes.
Yeah, so we will meet on Thursday. We will meet. That will be our last meeting because we didn't meet yesterday. So we will have a 25-minute class on Thursday at 5:30. Okay? Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right. So do you have homework, Duktang?
Yes, I
You
send
do.
it to you.
You do.
I
All right.
send it.
Okay, so let me share my screen with you so you can watch your video. What's your video about?
About ooh,
All right. Maybe you forgot as well. So let's watch your video now. Can you see the video,
yeah,
Duksa? All right, let's watch
yeah,
it now.
yeah.
As headache, uncomfortable, worried. If this continues, there will be serious consequences. To avoid stress, you should practice a healthy lifestyle
Mm-hmm.
by exercising regularly,
Mm-hmm.
getting enough sleep, and eating a balanced diet with plenty of green vegetables, fruits, fish, and nuts.
Mm. Oh, where did you learn that?
Google.
Google. Oh, okay. I think you just read it from Google. Your answer is from Google. right? Is that right?
Are there
All right, Duksang.
young,
How do you read this one? How do you read this word? Can you read it?
died,
Diet. It's diet.
died, died, yeah, died,
Diet. Diet. Balanced diet. Okay? So what is
died,
diet? What is diet, Duktang?
died is like the like the like
That's what
like
you said in
like
the video. So do you understand what you said in the video?
it's like the same the type or the
Type of what?
um like
What?
similar. It's like
Just see.
the
Mhm.
time like
Type of what?
um is is like the type of food or this
Yeah,
type
that's
of
right. Yes, exactly. So diet is the food that we eat. Diet. It can be balanced diet. It can be unhealthy diet. So anything that we eat is our diet. Okay, it can be healthy, unhealthy, balanced or unbalanced. When we eat unbalanced diet, it means we eat more um unhealthy food. That's unbalanced. When we say balanced diet, it has all the things that our body needs to be strong, healthy, glowing. Okay, Dokta.
yes yes
So what kind of diet what kind of diet do you have?
I have meat fast food.
Oh,
Yum, yum,
so you
yum,
have
yum.
combination of healthy and unhealthy. So do you think you have that? Do you have a balanced diet? Balance of
Yeah.
healthy and unhealthy. It's a balance of unhealthy and healthy food. Oh, all right. Yeah, because you said you need to have a balanced diet to become healthy, to avoid stress, right? Right, Dokta?
Yes.
So do you sometimes feel stress?
No.
No,
No.
you're never stressed?
Yes.
So what do you do so you won't feel stress? What if you have lots of homework and then you have exams? You don't feel stressed when you have exams?
Yes, yes, I have.
You also feel stress. Mm-hmm.
I usually, I
You usually
don't
feel
like,
stress. Mm-hmm.
I don't like exam.
You don't
I
like
exam.
you don't like exams, but yeah, it's exams. Exams are normal. So what do you do when you feel stressed during exam?
I sleep.
You sleep.
Yes, yes,
You sleep so you feel relaxed. Is that right?
yes.
Okay, okay. That's good, yeah. Sleep is a good way to relax. All right, so thank you for doing your homework, Dostang. Now we're going to continue our lesson on this part, giving advice. We're on this part, right? Yeah, giving advice. All right, so you have to complete the sentences with better, should, or ought. Okay, do you understand the better, should, or ought? Do you
Better
understand?
is
Mm-hmm.
more good.
Yeah, and then
Should
should.
should is like you should go, but not must
So
not
should,
must
it means it's something that we need to do, right? Or
do.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's an advice.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And
Yes.
I mean here. So when giving advice, so we use should to in present, positive or negative. Can you see it? Can you see? Oh,
Yes.
it's there's an error here. So can you read even if it's not that clear? Or maybe we can find something better to here. Should versus ought to. Okay, maybe we can have this one. Should is more commonly used than ought to. Okay, so we use should in both spoken and written language. So in written, we have ought to. So should, we use it to express a subjective opinion. Subjective is just an advice. Objective is ought to. Personal view of the speaker. Ought to is it means the society. Okay. Oh, this one. All right. So you read should, ought to, and had better.
Yes, suggestion and friendly advice. You should apply for the job. You
Apply.
must have to
You should
apply.
apply for that job.
Well, you should try to the new restaurant.
You should try that new restaurant. All right. And ought to.
That's frequent in American English.
Uh-huh.
You ought to go home. You ought to be with me.
Yeah, so ought to is not very common in American English. Uh-huh. And had better.
Stronger carries in a direct street.
Threat.
Boss.
Mm-hmm.
Threat.
In the carries an indirect threat.
Indirect threat.
Mm-hmm.
You had better finish that report. You had better not hit your sister.
Oh,
Oh,
it's like an indirect threat when you use had better. All right, so do you understand it now? The difference, the differences between should, ought to, and had better or better. Okay, all right.
okay.
All right, let's try to answer now. Dukhang. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. What else again? I forgot. I forgot. What did you remember? You forgot to read again. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot. All right. Okay, so let's continue now. Please answer better, should, or ought to. Oh yeah, I remember the word apply. Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's like you would
Would.
you
Better, should, or
you
ought.
you should I- 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 I-
You'd.
you better
You'd
you
better
had
go.
better you
Your
should
answer is better. You'd.
should
You already have the here. You already have the.
is okay it's better.
So you'd better go. All right. Two.
You, if you aren't well, you should you had better to see a doctor.
You
Had better to see the
are you
doctor.
sure? You better to see a doctor.
You better. You should to see.
You
You
should to
ought to.
see.
You ought to see. You ought to see. You
Ought.
ought to see. You ought to
So
see.
your answer is
You.
ought. Okay. Three.
Jade is Jane's in hospital. We should go and visit her.
Should.
The doctor is very busy, so you should make an appointment. Don't just turn up.
You should.
Your knee hurts. Well, you had better not play football today. Then,
You'd not
then.
you'd better not play football today then. All right.
If you want to get better, you ought to rest as much as possible.
All right. Are you sure about your answers? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Number one is better. Ought, ought, should, and yeah, better and ought. Oh, okay. All your answers are correct. So I think it's very easy because you already have this one. When you have D at the end, it's the answer is better, right? And when you see the two, it's ought, right? It's
Yes.
easy to
Yes.
find which one is correct. Okay, very easy. All right, so that's what you need to remember. All right, now we're going to have this. So you need to match the problems, Doktan. 1 to
Yeah.
3 with the pieces of advice in A to C. Are you okay?
Yes.
Then you have to write one more piece of advice for each problem. Use had, better, should, and ought to. Mm-hmm. So you answer first, you match them first, and then you give your advice later. My hand really hurts. So
Hurt.
what's the
My
answer?
hand hurts. You ought to see a doctor. See,
C.
see. See.
Mm-hmm. 2.
I think I'm going to be late for school. Uh, you'd better hurry.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I
3.
can't do this whole work. Perhaps you should phone a friend.
Yes. All right. Now you're going to give your advice using had, better, should, and ought to. My hand really hurts.
Uh, um, you'd better, you better go home.
Oh, and what should I do? Will it be become better if I go home? Oh,
You should what?
my hand still hurts. Oh no. I'm already home. It still hurts. What should I do?
I should, you should wash your hand.
Wash. Washing hands
Yes,
will make it better.
yes.
Oh, really? Okay, done. I wash my hands. It's now very clean, but still hurts.
Eh?
Really, washing hands will make it better. It still
Yes.
hurts. Ah, it still hurts. What should I do?
Go to the hospital.
Oh no, I'm scared of doctors. I don't want to go to the hospital.
Oh,
What? What did I do now? Still hurts. Look, doesn't work. It can't move on its own. What? What should I do? Look, I can't use it.
you should wait for mom.
Oh, okay. All right. I think I'm going to be late for school.
I think we left for school. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I think
What?
you should, uh, you should, I think you should no school today.
You should know school today. What? You should not go to school today? That's
Yes,
what your
yes,
answer?
yes,
You
yes.
should. You should not go to school?
Not go to school today.
What? Maybe you have to use better. You'd better not go to school today.
You better not go to school today.
right? You'd better. Because I'm late, I'd better not go to school. Hmm. What if my teacher gets mad? She'll be upset because I'll be absent from school. What should I
Uh,
do?
yeah, uh, you, if your teacher mad, leave school. Leave
Ah.
school.
Really? I should leave school if my teacher gets mad. Oh no. What if my parents get mad because I'm not in school? How will
Uh,
I
I,
learn?
I think you better if your parents get mad, you better to move house.
Oh no, I'll move house. I'll move
Yes,
out. I'll move out of the
yes,
house. Oh my
yes.
goodness. And so I'll be homeless. I'll be homeless. I don't have work. I'm still a student. What should I do? How will I eat? And what if it rains? Oh
I don't
no.
know. I don't know. I don't know.
That will create a lot more problems, Doktang, if you move out of your house. That will create more problems. So how are you going to eat or sleep? Yeah. So it's better to go back to school. It's better to go to school late than not go to school, right, Doktang? It's better to be
I don't.
late. It's better to be late than never go to school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I can't do this homework. It's very difficult. What should I do?
Mm, you should call Albert Einstein. Albert
Albert Einstein.
Einstein.
I tried calling Albert Einstein, but he's not picking up. Oh, I tried.
You should call to your friend.
Oh, my friends, they also don't know the answer. I tried. I asked them.
Leave your homework, play.
I will leave my homework and play. So should not
Yeah.
do my homework anymore. Oh,
Mm.
what if my teacher gets mad? I don't have homework
Leave
next day.
school.
Oh no,
Uh,
I don't want to leave school anymore. I will be homeless. Oh no. Okay, what else should I do if I don't know how to do my homework?
uh, uh, um, where's your mother and dad?
So I should call my parents.
Yes,
So I should ask for help from them.
yes.
Okay, so you should ask for your parents' help. You should. Can you say? You
You should.
better. Okay, you should. What?
You should call your
Or maybe you
parents.
should ask. You should ask for your parents' help. You should ask for your parents' help. Okay, that's good. All right, now work in pairs, right? Mini dialogues. Okay, no need to do that. Maybe we can continue on this part. Why all these awards? Okay, so I want you to read this text. Okay, and then we'll do the activity later. Please read
Graham,
why all these awards.
I'm really tired of award ceremonies and prize
Ceremonies.
ceremonies and prize. Why do we have
Prizes.
Why do we have to compare things? Everywhere you look, there's something going on about who or what is the best of the most comfortable of the biggest, and so on. And sometimes the prize winners aren't the best anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Here's an example. The Oscars in 2014. I saw the film Gravity and it was the most exciting film I'd ever seen. But did it win Oscar for Best Film? No, they gave the award to 12 Years a Slave. Can you believe it? It wasn't as good as Gravity at all. Okay, Gravity was the most successful film at the Oscars. It got 7 awards, but I don't think it's enough. That's enough.
Mm-hmm. Enough.
Sandra,
Enough.
enough. Sandra Bullock was fantastic as Mr. Ryan. I think
Doctor.
she
Doctor.
Dr.
Mm-hmm.
Ryan. I think she's much better than Kate Blanchett, who won Best Actress. But the good thing is that Gravity won Best Visual Effects. A
Visual. Visual. Visual.
visual effect. I never seen anything as fantastic. And was the music good? It was great. No other film had music as brilliant as that. I said all these things to my friend Dave, and the
The
day
other did.
after
Mm-hmm.
the Oscars, I told him I thought the Jukes were the craziest people in the world. Dave asked me how many films I'd seen in 2013. I said, "One, Gravity." Dave says he doesn't know anyone as stupid as me.
All right, all right. Can you say judges? Judges.
Judge,
Judges.
judges,
Okay.
judges,
Prizes. Prizes.
prizes,
Prizes.
prize, prize,
Ceremonies. Ceremonies. Ceremonies.
ceremonies,
Ceremonies. Visual. Visual.
visual, visual,
Judges.
judges.
Okay. All right. Do you understand what you read, Duktang?
Is that this girl? This
What did you understand?
this girl? She said
A girl?
that
Who's talking in this one?
Andrea.
What? Who's talking here?
I I don't know. I don't know who's talking.
Uh-huh. Okay, so it's he. No, I don't know, dear. It doesn't say. Okay. But
I
he or
think
she is
to
talking to his or her friend Dave. Okay. All right.
she
What is the topic of this text, Dokta?
is why all these awards.
Yeah, that's the title. But what's the topic? What's the text about?
It's about the girl. The girls. The girl said
What does
that
she want? Yeah, okay, let's just think that it's a girl who's talking here. All right, maybe we need to end this call first and then we'll call again, Tuktang, and then we'll continue talking about it. I'll end this
okay,
call first. Okay.
how
Mm-hmm.
about that? Okay, okay.